Hello, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks when using this resource as a student in Google Slides or PowerPoint. You might have different questions or shapes than me, but that's okay. This is just an example to show you how things work. The shapes are over here on your left. You can change the size of your screen by using the magnifying glass up here, or use the little arrow right next to it and choose the size, or pull up and down on this bottom bar. You can always hit refresh on your screen to get back to the original size. To move the shapes onto your workspace, click and drag if you are using a computer mouse, or tap and drag if you are using a tablet. There are a lot of them in this stack, so you probably will have some left over after you solve a problem. Lines work a little bit differently and you can't necessarily turn them. However, you have two dots on the ends of your lines, which are stretchy dots, and they make shapes bigger and smaller. Now, it might work best if you place your line kind of where you want it to start. And then if you take a stretchy dot, you can turn and drag where you want it to go. Place your line where you want it, then turn and drag where you want it to go. If you make a small mistake, you can use the undo and redo buttons up here on the top. If you make a big mistake, click on the line or shape you don't like, then hit delete on your keyboard. If you're using a tablet, still click on the shape or line you don't like, tap on it again, and then click on the word delete that pops up below. When you are finished with your challenge, click inside of this box here, hit delete or backspace on your computer, and type what you want to say. When you're all finished with this question, you will see the baby slides on the side or down below. Click on the next slide and try the next challenge. I hope this helped. Good luck and have fun.